In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to get started with the photos or how to insert a photo for your professional mag cover, your Pro Mag cover. Now, the first thing the first thing I'm going to do, according to the directions, is to set up the layout guides. So I'm going to go to Arrange Layout Guides, and I'm going to change these to 0.5, hitting Tab between the windows there, and you see now I have a 1/2 inch border all around there. And before I get started, I'm going to do a file save as. I'm going to go to my ModTech folder. I have a desktop publishing folder within that, and I am going to go to call it ProMagCover and hit save. Okay. Now, I've done a little work ahead of time here for this demonstration. I went to my magazines.com site, which is available in Blackboard, and I did a search for football. There's a search window up here, search field, and I typed in football. So I'm going to click on American football. This looks pretty darn cool. And you see there's American football. Okay, now I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy. I'm going to go back to my Pro Mag cover, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste. Okay, now it looks like it's taken up the whole screen here, so I'm going to hold Control and scroll back here. And for some reason it's showing me a huge picture, so we're going to delete that. I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to right mouse click, I'm going to save picture as, and I'm going to save it in my Z drive, ModTech. Go to desktop publishing, and again your folder will just be ModTech, and I'm going to call it football, and hit save. Okay, so now let's go back into Pro Mag cover. Hopefully this will work out for us. We go to Insert, Picture, from File. I'm going to go to ModTech. I'm going to go down to my desktop publishing folder right there. And there's that. Let's see what that does for us. Okay, that looks a lot better. So I'm going to shrink that down about the size of my whole page, and I'm going to hold down Control and scroll and get nice and close. Okay, so this says American Football Monthly. It's got a photo on it, and it has a bunch of text. So what we're going to do in this project is to take this look and bring my own photo into it and make it look just like this magazine, or at least as close as we can with the tools that we have. So go ahead and put these right next to each other like so, my blank canvas here, and then of course I have the real magazine cover. And what I've done, I'm going to go back over to Internet Explorer. I did a Google search in images for Matt Stafford football high res. And the reason I typed high res is because I want it to be high resolution. High resolution means that we're going to have a more pixels. We're going to have higher resolution. So if I go ahead and click on this one, it's actually a pretty good looking one. Let's see here. Click on that one, and if I right mouse click and copy, right mouse click and copy, assuming it works here. Oop. Left mouse click there. I'll go back for a second. I'm running a little bit slow on the slow side right now. Okay, so here I have another picture. I'm going to right click and copy. And I'm going to go down to my Pro Mag cover, and I'm going to right mouse click and paste. Alright, now it's pretty small. Let's see what happens as I stretch this out. See, it's very, very pixelated. Okay, and it's not very clear. It's a high resolution photo, but that thumbnail isn't high resolution. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go back to Google. I'm going to see if I can find something a little bit clearer and crisper. Let's try this one right here. Alright, right click, copy. I'll go over here, right click, paste. And and that looks a little bit clearer. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch that out. That's actually looking okay. Now if I stretch it out like that, it's going to look a little bit distorted, so I might want to just tuck it in a little bit. One of the little tricks I like to do is tuck that in, and then we can fill the edges with a little bar or something. I'll show you how to do that in a minute in another tutorial. So there we have bringing our picture into our publishing document. So that's going to be it for now. That'll get us started, and then we'll talk about creating text and doing some shadow effects and cool things like that.